Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video guys for any of you trying to find the collision prevention assist fuses and relays on Mercedes C-Class Generation W205. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them guys. We will also share information about hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes, information that can practically save you thousands of dollars in repairs in the future. And if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now guys. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the collision prevention assist fuses and relays guys, we'll show you where you can find them on that generation Mercedes C-Class. Now we want to give you one quick advice. 9 out of 10 owners do not know how many fuse boxes are in that Mercedes. You have 6 of them guys. Some are extremely hidden, they don't even look like fuse boxes. That's why, to help you out, we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. Check it out guys, it's a video our subscribers told us save them thousands of dollars in repairs. Let's go ahead and open the trunk. Here in the trunk you need to lift the carpet liner up. On the right side here you're going to have another carpet liner that's kind of like cut out. You need to lift the flap, and underneath you have the rear trunk fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Here guys, we need to start by checking 2 fuses, then we'll talk about the relay function as well. So what do we need to do here now? Coming in this row of fuses, okay, we need to first check fuse number 452, that's 450, 451, 452. You see that fuse here guys? That's the first one. And then you need to check 453. These 2 fuses will be the one that you need to check. What about relays guys? Except these fuses 452, 453, you don't have any relays. These fuses are known as relay fuses. Those will be the only ones that you need to check. If you still have problems with the system, we'll recommend to check the codes and see what's causing your problem guys. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.